What's up? It's your boy zoe.Cartier. Don't forget to click the like button and the notification button so you can know when we drop this new stuff, this new content, you know what I mean? What up? It's your boy zoe.Cartier. Look, so I shot this music video a little while back, and I kind of just wanted to do a little promo for it. So I'm like, hey, I might as well just go ahead and give you all a little overview of how I be doing my stuff at times, especially when it's like work that you've already done, and it's like you wanna, you know, just do a little promo to it, right? Like, pretty much. And that's what we're gonna go ahead and go through now. So let's check it out. It's this dope artist out of South Florida, as always. His name is JP Music. You go by JP Music. You'll find his link in the description. Really dope artist, done numerous projects with him, and this is just one of the projects that I've done. And yeah, just watch my workflow, I guess. It was pretty dope. I liked it a lot. Pretty funny dude. I love his rapping. He's mad sick with it. But let's see. Yeah. So basically what I'm probably gonna do, the screen. So that's actually the first music video that I ever shot with JP Music. It's called I Like It. It's really nice. But it's crazy how I was able to just go ahead and track TV screen and digitally put something else there that wasn't even there. So pretty dope. Let's see here. This is me just taking off the music on the other track, so that way we're not hearing a whole bunch of other stuff. Here. Here. My whole thing is I'm just trying to show like dope parts of the video. So what I do is I just basically cut wherever what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this. The only reason why I'm gonna duplicate it is so I can use that sound at the bottom. So that way we're not hearing all the other sounds, and we'll just have like a consistent sound at the bottom with no like track getting in the way, because I basically blinded, but you can still hear it. Not blinded, but I basically cut the visual of it off. So you should be able to still hear it. Although it's still running on full, so that's why it's kind of choppy. But like I said, the moment we put it on third, it'll degrade it, but it'll be smooth for us to see. What I'm gonna do though, since it's gonna be like a short 1, 2, 3 promo clip of what I could do, I'm gonna probably make these scenes a little bit shorter. So let's take a look here. Let's see what we got. And this is me just lining it up. What I did was I kind of just trimmed it there so it could be spot on to what I want to show. So get straight to the point. So that didn't look right, so we're gonna kind of edit it. I'm just gonna trim it a little bit and just put it right here. So from here, I'll do that. And what I did there was I literally clicked Command-Shift-D, and that's to basically go ahead and split the track wherever the playhead is. You can just easily split it and delete the part that you don't need. So that would help in that case. Let's see here. That's a good part. So we get to right here. Let's see. Just let it load. We put this part. Doesn't look right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just trim it. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just trimming it so that way it's exactly what I want it to be. Like I said, After Effects is pretty that simple, right? People like to make it harder than what it is, but I'm telling you, it's mad simple. You just gotta keep playing with it. I'm telling you. Let's see. So got that. Let's see. Let's see what we have so far. Right. So we're gonna bring the playhead to the beginning. May still slow down and chop up. Let's see what happens. It's just it trying to catch up to the record. Let's see. There we go. So to it. Cool. Boom. I'll let that ride. That's my logo. Only dope parts. And once again, easily you just go ahead and I'll put that. I like the little big thing. And that's my little simple tutorial on playing with After Effects. Check out my other tutorials. Literally, it's pretty much it. I just kind of wanted to show you the basics of, once again, right? Getting the project in the project panel, putting it on the timeline, cutting it up, right? Trimming the different segments that you cut up and aligning it. This is really those simple basic steps and tools that you want to keep playing with day after day until you get it like memorized, knowing that hey, you could do a new composition with Command N, and of course you can just always go ahead and cancel it right there. You can always go ahead and split a track where the playhead is, literally using Shift Command D, which makes it easier. And if you mess up, no problem at all. Just Command C, and then it'll bring us right back. So just getting used to it for now. In the next video, we're gonna get more in depth into different things as I go along and make these different projects. Be sure to click on the bell, subscribe for sure, no doubt. And check out my Instagram and see all of my other stuff that I like to create, all of my digital content. And definitely check out these dope artists. Check out these dope South Florida artists. Please don't sleep on these hip hop artists because you're really gonna miss out. Shout out to JP Music for sure. And once again, this is your boy zoe.Cartier. I don't know how to really end it. It's always hard. Check out the next videos. Shout out to Foy ENT, only at the one and only Foy ENT Studios. And that's your simple little editing video. Just to let you know what I would have did to finish off. After I'm done choosing all of the stuff that I do want to use, the scenes, I'm literally gonna go ahead and render it. So once again, it's one of those easy things you do. Let me just finish this off really quick. And what I would have did was this. When I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and go up here, right? And the moment you go up here, you're gonna go ahead and click File, and you're just gonna go ahead and click Render up here. So I'm gonna go right here. That's acting up. I swear it's always something. File, and we're going to go to export. And then of course from here, this is where you're going to go ahead and export what you're going to want to go ahead and do. So in this case, for example, here, export, and we're going to export to render here. And then of course from here, you would just say render, you would render it out. And wherever you save your files, that's where it would be. Other than that though, that's pretty much it for that case. I'm not going to render it just yet because there's a few things I want to kind of add on to it. More in-depth things that we're going to get into later on for sure, like adding titles and stuff. But in the meantime, I really want to say thank you for checking us out. Once again, it's your boy zoe.Cartier, South Florida's one of the top, I would say one of the top videographers in South Florida. I would say I'm top, probably top 5, top 10, top 3. I don't know, but anyways, thank you for checking out my dope video. This is your simple, easy guide of using After Effects and Adobe. Stay tuned and check out the other videos. Yeah, 11 p.m. All right, I'm out.